Are you unknowingly sabotaging your weight loss every single morning? These 10 habits might be the reason why your progress is stuck. Let's fix that today. Good morning, or maybe not so good if you're trying to lose weight, but your morning habits are working against you. You see, what you do in the first 60 minutes after waking up can set the tone for your entire day, including how your body burns fat. But don't worry, I'm about to reveal 10 common morning mistakes that slow down your weight loss and how to fix them. First thing in the morning. Here's the biggest mistake most people make: not drinking water right after waking up. Your body is dehydrated after hours of sleep, and dehydration slows down your metabolism by up to 30%. Instead of heading straight for coffee or breakfast, drink at least 500 milliliters, 2 glasses of water first. It helps flush out toxins, boosts digestion, and wakes up your metabolism. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? If it's grabbing your phone and scrolling through social media, that could be harming your weight loss. Here's why. Scrolling triggers stress and distraction, leading to higher cortisol levels. High cortisol leads to belly fat storage. Instead of scrolling, take 5 minutes to stretch, meditate, or drink water. Here's a huge weight loss killer. Breakfast loaded with sugar and refined carbs. That means cereal, white toast, flavored yogurts, muffins, basically everything we love. But these foods spike your blood sugar, causing energy crashes and hunger cravings later. Instead, eat a protein-packed breakfast like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a smoothie with nuts and seeds. Protein keeps you full and helps burn fat. Now, I know many of you love your morning coffee, but here's the thing. Drinking it on an empty stomach can increase stress hormones, causing fat storage around your belly. It also messes with digestion and can make you feel bloated. The solution? Eat something first before having coffee, or at least add a splash of milk to reduce its acidity. Did you know that even 5 minutes of movement in the morning can fire up your metabolism? If you wake up and go straight to work or sit for hours, your body stays in slow mode. Instead, try a 10-minute walk, light stretching, or a short workout. It wakes up your body and helps burn fat faster throughout the day.
If you think drinking orange juice is a healthy start, think again. Most store-bought juices are loaded with sugar and lack fiber, causing insulin spikes that store fat instead of burning it. Instead, eat whole fruit or make a homemade smoothie with protein and healthy fats. Timing matters. If you wait too long to eat, your body goes into starvation mode, slowing down your metabolism. Try to eat within 1 to 2 hours of waking up to keep your energy and fat-burning process running smoothly. Fix these and see the results. Now that you know these 10 morning mistakes, it's time to fix them and watch your weight loss speed up. Which mistake have you been making? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more game-changing health tips. See you in the next one.